Building AI applications today means juggling many moving parts. LangChain Ecosystem unifies 4 powerful tools, helping developers build smarter systems. 4 core components power this ecosystem: LangChain for building, LangGraph for orchestrating, LangSmith for monitoring, and integrations for connecting tools. LangChain is the core framework, foundation everything builds on. It gives developers chains, prompts, tools, and memory to work with. Chains link multiple steps together. Prompts shape model responses, tools let AI call functions, and memory keeps conversation context intact. LangGraph takes things further, with graph-based orchestration. Instead of straight lines, AI agents can branch, loop, decide, and collaborate freely.
This graph structure lets agents pause, branch into paths, retry steps, or run multiple agents parallel, giving developers precise control.
LangSmith is the observability layer. As AI systems grow complex, you need visibility. Through tracing, testing, and debugging tools available,
every request gets traced step by step, tested against expected outcomes, and debugged quickly, turning black box AI into something transparent.
None of this works in isolation. Integrations connect the ecosystem to over 500 external tools, models, and databases instantly. Whether you need a language model, vector database, third-party API, or custom tool, a connector likely already exists, saving time. Together, these 4 components form one complete ecosystem. Build with LangChain, orchestrate with LangGraph, monitor with LangSmith, connect through integrations. That's the LangChain ecosystem. Interconnected components built to work together, helping you spend less time wiring systems and more time building.